If you're experiencing billing issues with your Spotify account, resolving them can be straightforward. Follow these steps to address and fix your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AssureCom link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your subscription status. In your account settings, check your subscription status to confirm that your plan is active. If your subscription has lapsed or been cancelled, you may need to renew it to avoid any billing issues. Step 3. Look for billing emails. Search your email for any messages from Spotify regarding billing. These emails may contain important information about failed payments, subscription changes, or other issues that could affect your account. Step 4. Update your payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it in your account settings. Enter the new payment details and ensure they are saved properly to prevent future billing problems. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. If the issue persists after checking your payment method and subscription status, reach out to Spotify support. You can do this through the help page, where you can find options for live chat or email support to get assistance with your billing issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Spotify. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.